In the heart of the kitchen, magic comes alive. A world of flavors where our dreams thrive. Sizzling spices, a dance in the air, love in each dish made with tender care. Gather around, let the stories unfold. Every bite tells a tale, treasures of old. Welcome to Dina Ranagore, where the warmth embraces you forevermore. Taste the love, feel the grace, every meal a warm embrace. With laughter and joy, we share every meal, a family united. This bond we can feel, from the simmering pot to the golden plate. In Dina's kitchen we celebrate faith. Whispers of garlic, the sweetness of spice. In the sanctuary everything feels nice. Hearts intertwined as we gather near. In Dina Ranagore we have no fear. The fragrance of herbs that carry our dreams, uniting our hearts, or so it seems. Each recipe whispers the tales of the past. In Dina Ranagore we have no fear. So take